The Portuguese real estate market has moved from strength to strength, with expats and investors from all over walks of life looking to jump on the Portuguese property market. Moving into 2023, the real estate market is in a very strong position and it looks set to continue into 2023. Brick and mortar have long been a stable investment option, and with current inflation and uncertainty, placing your money in property in Portugal, which can also provide you with high returns on investment, is an attractive option. Hi there, my name's Amy and I'm a buyer's agent at Goldcrest, the independent property buying service in Portugal. At Goldcrest, you the buyer are our primary concern, not the seller, and we'll always negotiate the best possible deal for you, ensuring that you have the latest market intelligence and innovative valuation methods to make an informed decision. So, first things first, where to invest? Well, for property buyers, the vast range of locations in Portugal is incredible for such a small country. Lisbon, the marvellous capital of Portugal, has long been a favourite with expats, and if you opt to rent out your property, you can expect to secure yields of between 3 to 6%. From the historic neighbourhood of Graça to the buzzing heart of the city in Baixa, there is something for all types of buyers in Lisbon. Porto is the second largest city in the north of the country, and this is well known for its cobblestone streets, incredible cuisine, and the beautiful Douro River. The Algarve in the south has long been a favourite with retirees, with its golden beaches, stunning landscapes, and a high quality of life. So, if you're looking for something a little more dramatic and perhaps to find a more authentic side of Portugal, the Silver Coast on the west of Portugal is also a top location to consider buying property. Coimbra and Aveiro are also two charming cities in the middle of the country where you'll find lovely properties for sale, from historic townhomes to large countryside villas in the surrounding areas. These are top locations to consider. If you're looking to get a good return on your investment, for example, from renting your property out, then the bigger cities, tourist hubs, or student cities will provide you with the highest return on your investment. Think Lisbon, Porto, the Algarve, Coimbra, and Aveiro. So, now you're a little clearer on which parts of Portugal could be the ideal place to live, so which property are you going to look to buy? When it comes to types of properties in Portugal, you'll be spoilt for choice, from luxury properties to villas and countryside mansions to swanky apartments. You'll also find historic townhouses, beachside properties, farms, and even vineyards, and even castles for sale in the middle of the country. So whatever you're looking for, Portugal can certainly deliver. So, you've settled on your location of your new property, which is the crucial first step. Next, you'll want to make a list of practical questions, things such as, is the property close to a school? Where is the closest healthcare service? How far are you from the local supermarket or a good restaurant? Are there any green spaces close by? And how far away is the nearest beach? Write down what you want close at hand, and this will help you to hone in on your property's location. After this, check out local real estate listings or speak with a buyer's agent to narrow your search. If you want 3 bedrooms, a large garden, or a pool, these are things that you'll need to take into account at this stage. A great tip is to check as many properties as possible and visit the place in the daytime and at night. Yes, this might seem a little bit strange, but a place can certainly have a very different feel depending on what time of day you visit. So also speak with the neighbours and ask yourself, can you really see yourself living there? And one final hint, don't rush to buy. Yes, the property may have received lots of interest, but don't jump headfirst into a property purchase without doing the necessary due diligence. Working with a buyer's agent can help in this regard and with negotiating on the price. So before we wrap things up, we'd like to provide you with some important things to bear in mind. Firstly, establish how you are going to finance your property. While this may sound obvious, it's good to start the process early. There are many banks in Portugal that provide mortgages for foreigners. Fish around to find the best deal for your personal situation. Secondly, we've mentioned due diligence, and we can't stress enough the importance of making sure that the legal aspects and the structural aspects all have the green light before you go ahead. If you are considering renting out your property, you should also look into property management companies so that you can find one that you fully trust. And last but not least, everyone's favourite, taxes. Ensure that you are up to speed on property taxes so that you're well aware of what you'll need to pay at the time of purchase and further down the line. That's all from us today. If you're looking to buy in Portugal, please don't hesitate to get in touch. As a property buyer's agent based here with a wealth of experience at our fingertips, we can help you to kickstart the process of bagging your dream property. Please don't also forget to hit like and subscribe. My name's Amy and this is Goldcrest Insights.